Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And if you want to add unauthorized users on your Chase credit card, then this video is for you. So first step is you log into your Chase account on the web portal of Chase Bank. Then select more, and you can find the more option at the top right corner. Simply click on that drop down button and then select and add authorized user. Here you can find the card that you have added. So from here you can find more, and the card this here you can find account details here. Then you can find the add authorized button here, and all of your card is here. You can see it has just added here. Select a card and you can find add authorized users button. Then step 4 is complete form to add an authorized user. So you have to add the authorized users personal information, that for example, if it's a loved one, your beloved one, or your relative, so you have to add their first name, middle name. It is optional. Then the last name, then the suffix, and the date of birth here. After that, you will need to provide the following information to add that Chase credit card. And once you fill out the Chase authorized user form, Chase will mail the authorized user's physical credit card to the primary cardholder's address. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.